Hey, I'm Dave Like, and in this video I'm talking about the Roku remotes. I'm going to make you a pro by enhancing, improving, and upgrading your current Roku remote. I bet you it's like this one, right? Maybe it's even the Voice Remote Pro 1. You've got to go ahead and upgrade to the Voice Remote Pro 2. Thousands of reasons to do it. Let's go through them all. So if you've got this little remote over here, you don't even have a power button. What's up with that? You also don't have a microphone. You got, what is this? Replaceable batteries? Who does that? Okay. You want a rechargeable battery system. It's going to be easier. I mean, there's no volume controls. There's nothing. There's nothing. You can't do anything. So barely can control your own Roku. If you want to enhance your whole experience, you got to upgrade to the latest. If you've got the Voice Remote Pro First Edition, well, yeah, you've got some abilities here. You do have one feature that isn't on this guy, which is a little annoying. It's the headphone jack, right? So that's kind of cool. Pretty helpful. Over here, you don't have that. You'll have to do wireless headphones with your Roku, but likelihood is everybody's got wireless headphones nowadays. So did many people even use that feature? Anyway, look at this. Okay, so you might notice this. It lights up. So at night, when you can't really see what you're doing on your Roku remote, oh wait, no, now I can because it's all backlit. Sweet. This one's not. This is the first model that is backlit on Roku, so pretty helpful in that regard too. So again, you don't want those. Let's focus on what you do get with the Voice Remote Pro 2. You see that little light up there indicating that we're talking to it or, moving and interacting with it. We've got that power on and off button, back button, home button, the D-pad, the OK button, the, rewind, whatever, the microphone button. And you've got the star, all your pause and fast forwards. Oh wait, what's this? Guide. So we've got a live TV guide button right here. What does that do? It accesses all of Roku's, most of them are free 24/7 linear TV channels, okay? So you go ahead, click on that. It'll pop up the live TV guide. There are some premium channels like HBO, for example, is available on there. I think Paramount Plus has a couple channels. Pretty cool if you subscribe to those. So this little button that looks like a rocket is kind of like a shortcut button. So you click on that and you can customize what you want to be popping up on your screen. So what are the quick start actions? You can load a couple channels there of your favorite channels if they're not already listed here. Of course, with the second edition of the Voice Remote Pro, you get Netflix, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, and Prime Video. So again, on the side here, and this is highly recommend that you start using this feature. This feature allows for hands-free communication with your Roku, so turn it on. If you want it off, you just slide it down like that, but slide it on and talk to your Roku all day long. It's really helpful to do, okay? So why do you want to do that? You could say like, hey, Roku, turn off the TV. Hey, Roku, turn on the TV. Hey, Roku, find my remote. You always lose the remote, I bet you do. It's really helpful to do that. Even if it's stuck underneath a couch, it'll hear you. And then you can go ahead and, pause the TV, turn up the volume, whatever it is, all hands-free. So it's really helpful to have that feature, especially if you're in a busy household with lots of people in it. So that being said, one of the neat features that if you've got that Roku smart home equipment, like light bulbs, power cords, the doorbells, the cameras, the plugs, all that sort of stuff, if you've got those devices, you can also communicate with them hands-free as well as saying, hey, Roku, turn off my lights, or hey, Roku, show me the front doorbell, and it'll do it all on your TV screen. You won't need your smartphone in order to control those devices. So it's really helpful to just level up your Roku experience and enhance your home experience. Of course, there's the volume buttons right here, turning it up, turning it down, and mute. And that being said, flipping it on over on the other side so that you can't really take that off, right? But what you can do is good old USB-C. Look at that charging capability. The Voice Remote Pro 1 had micro USB, so happy to see that gone. And we've got a beautiful USB-C right here. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smack that like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. I'll see you all in the next one.